What's up, everybody? This is Legendary Green Ranger coming to you recording from my apartment in Warsaw, Indiana, over here at Valley Forge Apartments. Time to do a new unboxing. Let's see what I got here. Let's see who's it from. James Tranter. All right, cool. All the way from Louisiana. Duct tape hard to get off. Fan mail. Guys, let you guys know this is fan mail, which is also part of the unboxing. Let's see what I got here. What I think this is. Look at this, guys. And
what is it?
The Zodiac, one of the Zodiac morphers. Yeah. Zodiac Force. Dragon Ranger.
Well, how do you even have a morpher for that?
This is the morpher.
I thought you said you bought that.
It's still marked as fan mail under the radar. Okay. Anything that YouTube purchase or get for free is still marked as fan mail by fans. Let's take a look here. Cool. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, talk to my wife. To let you guys know, everything's going good with my shelf, but it looks like, also give you guys another special preview that there are more Lightning Collection figures coming out, which one of them is the Green Ranger collectible figure, which is the dual pack versus Mighty Morphin Green Ranger versus a putty, which I'm very psyched on. Super Mega Force, which is the this is the Japanese version, I can tell. Take a look at the keys here. Oh, that's awesome. This is trying to see here. Kamen Rider X key. The second one. Oh, well, loose, but you know what? Still looks awesome. Ultraman. Whoever thought an Ultraman Ranger key? Lord Zed key. That is freaking awesome. Alright guys, that's all for today's. But anyway, catch on for the next time I do another recording, which will be sometime in October. So be ready for it. May the power protect us all.